Let's talk about vectors and identify vector components. Now, a vector is a quantity that has direction and magnitude, or you can call that size. And it's represented in a coordinate plane on graphing paper by an arrow drawn from one point to another. So if you look right here, we have a picture of a vector. Now, don't let this be confused with a ray that we have studied. In the vector, we have the initial point, and then we have the direction of it and a terminal point. So it does not keep on going like it does with a ray. It actually stops here, the initial point and the terminal point. And if you want to name this vector, you have to do it in a certain way. Start with the initial point, the J, and put the terminal point second, kind of like a ray, except that it terminates there. We can actually measure that. You can't measure a ray. And here's the symbol for it. It's a little line. It only has the part of the arrow at the top. So there's your vector symbol, not to be confused with a ray symbol. Now, when I want to make this in component form, what you'll do is, instead of parentheses, not to be confused with parentheses, we're going to use the angle bracket, or you sometimes call them chevrons. It's not a parenthesis, but they're written like XY form, the way the ordered pairs would be. So the J is written first with a comma, and then the K, and then that angle bracket again. So you can actually measure that, but this is the component form of vector JK.